I get one question to ask, because since when my mama and my papa born me, I never see where they use money, they buy money. Now for this story, now for here and my people, big men go carry big car, come buy money. And this woman, if they sell the money, 50,000 naira, because say na money when she go beg, now people lock. You go gather now 50,000 naira. They'll use. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, now Tori now we dey talk, and now Pidgin English will they talk our Tori for so here. Today we want to talk about one woman who be say she dey use money, they buy money, and people they come buy money for her hands. And the person when he expose this woman, the voice record it there for year. I will play the voice record, make una hear. But now Yoruba, now they speak when the woman begin they confess. So people when they hear Yoruba, wanna listen to this voice record. People when not they hear Yoruba, make una relax. After I don't play the voice record finish, I'll come tell una the story how it is start and what they talk for the Yoruba language. So before I go play the voice record, I just want to tell una say the voice record long small. So now this cracker biscuit, everybody know cracker biscuit, and then they call this one pistaki. I don't know what they call them for English language. This pistaki now want to step down to the video, and I get juice here. We will take step this snacks down. And this pistaki, I go advise you, make you they take them. If you be man, it good for you. If you be woman, it good for you too. If they make you day honey, if they make you feel like this one now. If I eat this one, I don't say today, now what day. So you know, say if you don't get children, now with special arrangement. So if me don't take my home today, I don't keep my husband. If my husband come, go see him tonight. You understand now? So ways are step down. It's still good well for your head. You understand now? Dry fruits, it's still good for your head. If your walking stick not they work well, it will help you. If now you woman say your this thing get as a B, you see they build them well. If they do all way around, if they do many things for body, you understand? Go see make you feel honey, go see build that place for you. That's our home. Now to just make us feel honey. We'll just enjoy ourselves. Now we just did now. You understand? So today, as I take on today now, my husband already know. So me already sing down and say today. So this one want to step down for this video today. I want to use this opportunity to tell people when they tell me say they don't know how they say they subscribe, they know they get notification. So you see True Dreams Bright Life with Lady T. If you see say this red when they write subscribe, so if they shine like this, it's just red, you know say you never subscribe. What you need to do, you go just click this red. You just click this red. If you click on, you don't see say this bed don't come out. You can't click this bed. You see say na 3 beds come out. You can't click this first one. That one don't be say anytime I put video, you go dey see am. You'll be first person to see am. If I ever dey on live screen or Sunday, you go still give you alert say Lady T don dey live. And that one be the subscribe when they talk. Now free, they know they pay puts. You understand? As far as you don't get internet for your phone, so your do now free, not they pay any money. You understand? So now be that one. So my people will go play the voice record now. Like I tell you now before, I want to step down with all these things. So I will play them. Then I'll come explain. Make I tell you now the cocoa of the story. They will come back again.
51 years. Almost 51 years ni. Kilo ko yin e sọ̀rọ̀.
Orúkọ mi ni Simbiatu Mopelola.
Simbiatu Mopelola. Ọmọ tó rí yín yẹn. Ẹni tó rí yín báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ sí yín?
Òótọ́ ló ń gbé ilé ọ̀dọ̀ ni, tẹ́nàntì ni.
Tẹ́nàntì yín ni. Kí wàá ló dé bí ẹ ṣe pariwo lèlé lórí tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa nà nínú ọjà kó tó sọ pé báyìí ló ṣe rí. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ ṣe ó pè mí lálákọ̀ọ́kọ́ mo ṣẹ́jú sí ó tó pè mí lẹ́lẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ mo ṣẹ́jú gbọ́ tó wá di pé wọ́n á pè mí lemọ́lemọ́ kó má di pé ó máa tú mi síta ni mo ṣe pariwo lèlé lórí àmọ́ àṣírí tí ìfẹ́ kó tú náà ni ó wá padà tú yìí.
Kódà ẹ jẹ́ ká wò báyìí ó ti tó bí ọdún mélòó tí ẹ ti wà nínú iṣẹ́ ká tọrọ owó ká bèbí oníbàárà tẹ̀ ń ṣe.
ẹ ṣe tó nǹkan bí ọdún 10 àbọ̀ báyìí.
ọdún 10 àbọ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
tẹ̀ ti wà nínú iṣẹ́ yìí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ilé mélòó lẹ ti kọ́.
ilé 4.
ilé 4.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
yàtọ̀ sílé ìta àmọ̀ ìyá àbò ló sì 4.
papọ̀ náà ló fi jẹ́ 4.
ló fi jẹ́ 4.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
mọ́tò mélòó lẹ ń lò.
mo ní mọ́tò 3.
mọ́tò 3. mọ́tò eléyìí tí ẹ gbé pamọ́ tẹ páàkì tẹ fi wá ń tọrọ owó ní ọjà yìí ṣé òun ló sì 4.
òun ló sì 4.
òun ló sì 4.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ọ̀dà ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ tí ẹ ní tí wọ́n bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n tó mélòó.
wọ́n á tó bíi 12 báyìí 12.
àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ 12
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ni wọ́n bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀nà wo làwọn ń gbà fi ṣiṣẹ́.
òmíràn ṣe bíi arọ ẹlòmíràn ṣe bíi afọ́jú àwọn mẹ́rin wá ní àwọn ti skul bọ̀ owó mọ́tò àwọn òpè àwọn èèyàn ń fún wọn ní owó àwọn lè rí tí wọ́n máa lo báàgì skul yẹn jọ àwọn mẹ́rin wọ́n á mú fọ́tò bíi aláìsàn dání wọ́n lẹ́nu yẹn bẹ ní hospital ewé yẹn fẹ́ sọ operation fún kẹjọ kẹyẹ́pọ̀ àwọn ìjọ lóríṣiríṣi báyìí wọ́n pọ̀.
bí ẹ ṣe ń ṣe lóríṣiríṣi nìyẹn. báwo ni àwọn ṣe ń gbowó ṣé owó oṣù lẹ́ ń sọ fún wọn ni àbí báwo lẹ ṣe máa ń rí wọn kó láti máa ṣerú sẹ́yìn fún yín ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ẹ ṣe àwọn tó bá ní bùkátà tí a lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ gbowó lójúmọ́ ìmọ̀ tó bá di lóṣù náà wọ́n tún gbowó díẹ̀ bí wọ́n bá ṣe tà sí ni.
tí wọ́n bá ti tà sí ni àwọn kan ń gbowó ojúmọ́ tó bá dẹ̀ tún di lóṣù wọ́n á tún gbowó díẹ̀ bí ojú kan náà ni ẹ máa rán gbogbo wọn sí àbí báwo lẹ ṣe ń ṣe ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ìṣojú kan náà àwọn tó wà lóṣogbo wà ń bẹ àwọn ti Ìbàdàn káàkiri báyẹn tó fi dé Gombe Ìbàdàn pàṣàpọ̀.
wọ́n wà káàkiri.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni káàkiri.
ẹ jẹ́ ń bá.
if you know say you no dey as no give your husband this thing chop o na no vex.
báyìí sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ilé tó wà ní Kòròdú yìí mo gbọ́ pé òun kọ́ gangan kọ́ lẹ̀ ń gbé tẹ́ bá ti wá.
or if your husband no dey as no chop make sure say your husband dey as before you eat am you know.
wá ṣiṣẹ́ Èkó òun ni ẹ ń lò síbẹ̀ ṣé ibo lẹ̀ ń gbé gangan. Ìbàdàn ẹ̀yin lẹ kọ́lẹ́jì Ìbàdàn náà.
ìyẹn ni mo kọ́ ìgbà táwọn ọlọ́pàá mú mi wá yẹn èmi ni mo kọ́.
ok ẹ̀yin lẹ ilé Ìbàdàn táwọn ọlọ́pàá mú yín wá bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ kọ́ bẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ẹ̀dẹ̀ ló ti lé lọ́dún 10 tí ẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ó dà ẹ jẹ́ ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín báyìí at least iṣẹ́ tí èèyàn ti ń ṣe tó ti lé ní bí ọdún bíi 10 lé díẹ̀ ṣé ìdí ẹ̀ náà lẹ ti kó gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ kó jọ yìí jọ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mo ti rí.
ìdí ẹ̀ náà lẹ ti kó gbogbo ẹ̀ jọ.
ìdí ẹ̀ mo ti kó jọ ìṣepọ̀ bóyá owó tí wọ́n gbà wá nìkan ó láwọn tí wọ́n máa ra owó lọ́wọ́ wa.
tí wọ́n máa ra owó lọ́wọ́ yín yẹn báwo lẹ ṣe ń ṣe láàrin ara yín ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
tí a bá ẹlòmíì tó bá gba bí 50,000 lọ́wọ́ wa ó lè fún wa ní bí 100 ẹlòmíì lè fún wa ní 80 tó àwọn owó yẹn ń lé sí ẹlòmíì bá fún wa ní abáfún 100 wọ́n fún wa ní bí 200 àbí bí 230.
ẹ jẹ́ kó yé mi ok tí ẹ̀yin bá gba owó bára tí ẹ gbàjọ káàkiri so ẹ láwọn tí ẹ ń tà fún èló làwọn máa ń ra yìí ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
kò ní price kan bó bá ṣe wọ́n sí ni torí gbà mí kì í sọ́jà náà dẹ́ ní ìdí ẹ̀ ní dandan yọ bí wọ́n bá ṣe rí sí lọ́wọ́ wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ń fowó lé.
tó o tẹ bá ta owó bára fún wọn ní tẹ fún wọn 50 àwọn lè fún yín lọ́ndẹ̀ndì àbí kẹlòmíì fún yín 150.
150 bí wọ́n ṣe ń fún wa nìyẹn.
ilé ayé yìí mọ̀ lágbára o ilé ayé yìí mọ̀ ní agbára o ó dà ẹ jẹ́ kí n béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín báyìí tẹ bá náà ṣiṣẹ́ káàkiri bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ sí tọmọ yín fi tí ẹni tó rí yín fi rí yín pé tẹ́nàntì òun rè báwo lẹ ṣe máa ń ṣe mọ́tò yín tẹ gbé mọ́tò kù ní ẹ̀ báwo lẹ ṣe ń ṣe ẹgbọ́n òun lẹ̀ ń dá.
ẹ ṣe tí mo bá fẹ́ gba owó níbi Ìkòròdú junction mo lè lọ páàkì mọ́tò mi sí Ṣàbó màá wá síbi mo ti fẹ́ gbowó omi mo lè páàkì sáà Greek ó máa ń jìnnà síbi tí màá ti dúró gba bára yẹn.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadu Rasulullah.
jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ fún mo ní mọ́tò.
La ilaha illallah ẹ má bínú àwọn ọmọ tí yín kọ́ tí wọ́n wà ní àwọn tí wọ́n ń tọrọ owó yìí.
kò sáwọn mi ń bẹ.
kò kò sáwọn ọmọ yín kankan nù ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀
àwọn ọmọ tí yín ń boná wà.
mẹ́rin ni mo bí kò sí àwọn méjì ti kú.
àwọn méjì ti kú.
bẹ́ẹ̀
àwọn méjì tó kù ńkọ́.
wọn sì ní Nàìjíríà.
la ilaha illallah muhammadu rasulullah sallallahu. àwọn ọmọ méjì tí yín tó kù yẹn wọn ò sí ní Nàìjíríà. so àwọn ọmọ tẹ̀ ń kó jọ tí wọ́n ń tọrọ owó yẹn how come ṣé ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń kọ̀ wọ́n títí pé tó bá lè mọ ṣe nǹkan báyìí ó wà lórí ẹ̀ o àbí báwo lè ṣe rí wọn kó jọ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ẹ ṣe ẹni tó bá bá ràn lọ́wọ́ wá tó ládùúgbò wọn mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tèmi náà ṣe nìyẹn ẹni tó bá bá ràn lọ́wọ́ wá kí n ràn wọ́n ní ọwọ́ ni mo máa ń sọ fún pé iṣẹ́ tèmi náà ṣe tó bá ti lè ṣe ọ̀nà rẹ̀ máa sì wọ́n á dẹ̀ wá.
ṣé ẹni ẹ múlẹ̀ ẹ ní nǹkan tí ẹ fi ń bára yín múlẹ̀ láàrin ara yín ni.
ẹ ṣe tí àbájẹ́ pé ó yá bá ní gbólóhùn tá a jọ ń sọ láàrin ara wa àṣírí ti máa tú tipẹ́ dán a máa ní nǹkan kan tá a máa ṣe láàrin ara wa tí wọn ò fi ní lè rò níta.
tí wọn ò fi ní lè rò níta. ó dà ṣé ẹ báwo lẹ ṣe wá nígbàgbọ́ nínú àwọn ọmọdé ń kó kí ló gbé bóyá mi lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ìdí ó pa 10,000 ó wá deliver 5,000 ṣé báwo lẹ ṣe ń ṣe yẹn ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ẹ ṣe kò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí pé tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti dalẹ̀ nìyẹn.
ntí ó bí ó bí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ó dà gbogbo àwọn buy me búrẹ́dì àwọn owó skul mi ò pé àwọn bọ̀dá ẹ dákun mò ń lọ Ìkòròdú mò ń lọ ẹ dákun Ṣàgámù mò ń lọ gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn àwọn ọmọ yín ni.
àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ mi ni.
ṣé ẹ̀yin nìkan lẹ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìyàbẹ̀ ní kakọ́ọ̀tì ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ní ọ̀dọ̀ mi nìkan ni mo jẹ́ ọ̀gá fáwọn bíi 12 yẹn o bẹ́ẹ̀ tí àwọn mẹ́rin ń bẹ tán tó máa ṣe bíi tiwa náà tó jẹ́ pé àtúnjọ́ máa pàdé tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ wá ta owó fún àbàbúrà olówó yẹn.
àwọn olú máa ń ra owó yìí lọ́wọ́ yín.
àwọn bí àwọn àfáà náà rà babaláwo rà àwọn tá a dẹ̀ ń pè ní big man náà àná wà á rà lọ́wọ́.
kí làwọn fi ń ṣe.
bàbá mi máa tẹ́ fi ń ṣe bẹ̀ tí ó dàbí àti pé bóyá wọ́n fi ń ṣe àsìkè ni àjò ni bí orí gbígbé orí tútù àjò àwọn owó náà ní gbogbo rẹ̀.
orí gbígbé orí tútù kò mọ̀ mówó tèmi wá.
bẹ́ẹ̀
kí ló máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn tí wọ́n tẹ̀ ń gba owó yìí lọ́wọ́ wọn.
ẹlòmíín làwọn máa rí tẹlòmíín máa ṣiṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ tẹ kókó ní lálùyọ.
la ilaha illallah muhammadu rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
àti gbà á sì kiri.
tó lórí pé ó súnyàn lówó ó dà àwọn ọlọ́pàá jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ báwọn ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé kẹ́ ẹ sọ nínú àwọn tí ẹ̀ ń ta owó yìí fún ẹ̀rẹ́ nìkan kan sọ bóyá ẹ ti múlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé mẹ́sẹ̀jì kan wọlé sórí fóònù yín pẹ́ni yẹn mọ̀ pé fóònù ti wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn Yusuf kínní kan bóyá Babátúndé tó ní ìgbà òní kóhùn wá èló ni kóhùn máa mú bọ̀ dálé nìyẹn.
ìyẹn oníbàràǹdà ni òun náà máa ń rà mọ́ lọ́tún tà fún àwọn bàbá aláyé yẹn.
so ẹ tún ní bàràǹdà nídìí iṣẹ́ yìí náà.
bẹ́ẹ̀
so òun náà wọn á rà wọn á lọ tún ta
òun náà tún lọ tún tà.
ibo ló ń gbé báwo la ṣe lè mọ̀ wọ́n ti ń pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ kò lọ ṣùgbọ́n mo kọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ àtẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ báwo la ṣe lè mọ̀.
gbogbo ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run torí pé mi ò mọlé ẹ̀ ó kàn máa mọ́ bá mi ní ibi tí mo mọ́ páàkì mọ́tò sí.
níbo ló ti rí nọ́mbà yín gbà tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ẹ jọ mi mọ bó ṣe gẹ́ẹ̀tì nọ́mbà mi àmọ́ wọ́n máa pè mí èmi náà tún máa fáwọn mí ní nọ́mbà tí wọ́n máa rà lọ́wọ́ mi ò mọlé wọn sá.
mo mọ̀ pé nígbà tí ọwọ́ òfin bá tẹ̀ yín dáadáa ẹ̀ jẹ́wọ́ ọmọ ọdún mélòó lẹ pé ayé. 51 years.
So this story where I dey tell una dey consider they use money, they buy money. How they take catch this woman? Now one brother, na tenants. He just dey waka dey go for Lagos. He see say person sit down, the person cover. The brother na person wey be say e dey quick recognize somebody. He just see the woman cover, come dey look am. Probably he wan give her money. He can't look her. He say, this one no be my landlady. He waka go front. He turn back again. He say, this woman, how person go resolve person like this? This na my landlady now. My landlady wey be say e get almost 3 to 4 houses, cars full compound. Go come dey beg? No. He need to go look her. Now he can't go look her. He can't dey call her. Landlady, now you be this? Why you dey beg? The landlady come dey cut tie for am. They cut tie, they do like this, say, go, we'll see later. No worry, go. The boy no gree go. You know, say, every day for the thief, one day for the owner. The boy is not gree go. He say, Now lady, why they cut eye for me now? What do you they do for here? When the woman say the tenant wan open in yash, then I begin the shout, Tifo, Tifo, Tifo. You know as Lagos be now. Now everybody run, no. The way carry stick, carry. The way carry this one, carry. Where the thief? Where the thief? And so they rush this guy. Then they say make it see. And so they give him mission, boom, boom, boom. The next thing they carry tire. Now no say they do now. Hey, with this tenant story, many innocent people don't go. Now so they begin they give him. You know if you talk, if they talk. Yeah, you don't thief. They force her. What he no one know to make it talk. He say na innocent. When he comes to say I'm innocent, it no work. Okay, make I confess. I go confess. Then they say, "Mona, wait, make it confess before they finish him, so that they go know what he don't do." Then he come point. This is what they talk. So now lady just they wait, make they quick put fire, make they finish this boy life. Then they say, make they wait, make they hear a confession. Then he come say, "A confession be say this woman wanna they see so." Now a landlady, now I say he not thief, he no be thief. Now a landlady wey be say he get houses for everywhere, he get cars. He come say he dey beg. Now he come to say, landlady, wetin you dey find for here? He dey cut eye for her. Now he come to say this one no be high matter. Wetin you dey find for here? Now he say thief. Now they say, madam, come here. And so they carry landlady sit down. Madam, wetin this man dey talk? So na truth, na your tenant. Landlady say no, I say they lie. Then the boy say if na lie, make they carry am go their house. Make they go ask other tenants where they whether not be she be their landlady. Now so they take carry am go. When they reach there, my people, things they happen for life. I always say thank God for social media. All these things maybe if they happen before we don't know, but anything happen now. Social media they make people they know history. They make people they know what they happen. Behold, when they come reach the woman house, they come see other tenants. They come and they say, "Oh, una landlady." Now they point out, say, "See our landlady for you." Una know this, but you see, now one of our tenants. Now they say, "Madam, so now you get house." Now they face the woman. The woman comes out to they confess. He say, "No, be only this house he get to. He get other houses so. Now so he get car. Now the voice record now see now the confession when they confess now they hear now." She gets almost 12 people, small children dey, adults when be say don't go school, you know, get work, or when they find work. Children dey, women dey, men dey. He distribute them for all everywhere for Lagos. Now so you see say they go hold picture of person when they sick. The small one go say na my mama, or na say mama dey sick for hospital, he need help. They go give her money. You go gather and go give this woman. The other ones go say na so their brother dey sick oh. The men go say their wife, Mona see my wife just born twins for hospital. They don't see money to pay hospital bill. Women when they for instance go say na so their husband leg dey pain and so he blind. Now so they use they do. She herself kpakpa. She see they disguise, see they constant, so that the money go many well. According to the way they take explain for me, because me know they hear Yoruba. They say this woman get 4 children. 2 don't go for inside. The remaining 2, he carry them come off for Nigeria. Then they collect other children, lock. Now, so if those who work finish, gather their own side, plus her own when she still gather, she'll join her together, you carry her go house. Babalao, native doctor, they'll come they buy money for your hands. Big men go carry big car, come buy money. Ritualists go come buy money for your hands. And this woman, if they sell the money, 50,000 naira, because say na money when she go beg, now people lock. You go gather now. 50,000 naira, they'll use 100,000 to buy 50,000 naira for your hands. Okay, all those people when they use 100,000, they can't buy 50,000. What you notice that they use the money they do? Not be the person in luck that they carry. That's why you will see some people they go struggle. They know they see anything, but let mommy know they for inside. Please, my brothers and sisters, make una know God. No wait, may anybody pray for you. God they hear you. So far, make your heart clean, make your hand clean. Call on God. Any destiny tiffer, any tiffy destiny, no go see our destiny, no go see our children. You when they watch me so, You no go see your own, you no go see your children all carry in the mighty name of Jesus. At the name of Jesus, every knee will bow, every tongue will confess that Jesus Christ is Lord. Now, so they say the tiffy people, destiny, they go. I remember you come Lagos. You get one bridge, I don't know if you remember the name of the bridge, me I no lie. Go they wait for the person who want to carry me. Where they wait, I see one beggar sit down under the bridge. As he sit down for them, the next thing I see say the beggar get up. He carry broom. He begin to sweep the step of the bridge. He can't sweep and sweep and sweep and he can't gather the sand. He can't put on for a rubber bag. He can't tie him. He can't keep on for corner. Where they carry that sand, they go. If you don't know God, you are a goner. You need to know God. Know this God. Hold on strong. Because wickedness is too much for everywhere. Especially that our country, Africa. It's too much. He gathered the sand. Now so I stand. I look at I be like it the way so quiet. He gathered na beggar. He carry broom. Me, I can't say they sweep. I can't say maybe he just want to clean that place. I can't say how many sand are there when they clean. When you come, they begin they put on for rubber bag because all the rest ground now sand. Now what you can just pour away, not be say dirty day. He gathered for rubber bag, he tie. I know say people they will really they need. When be say they really they go beg say because they need. But all this bad one, you know, will let person they help person again. But when they need, they know what they see. As soon as see them, so they go line up. They go line up. They know they beg, say they really need the money. They beg for evil purpose. They use and carry your log. Your good, it not will kill you. Because now good you do when you take give. Your good not will kill you. Anybody you give money, you give cloth, you give anything. You say one user against you, he want turner against you. He go return back to her. Anything he plan, any hole he dig, now the person go fall for inside. When I see now, these people when be say that they give all these people this money from their hearts, but see what they do to them. You go give person money finish, you will turn zero. Be wise. Be wise on my people. As I see and I say no, I call the mommy when bring this message. I say many people don't know what is inside this message. My better people when they watch me, when they share my video, when go come across this video, make una share this video. That make una say use and get sense, so make una tell una people. We not say more not do good though, but if they do good, do it to the right person. Now this one now always they talk. Do good to the right person. Because if you go do it to the wrong person, now what chance? People when you don't give this woman money so far now what chance? You do go free, you can't begin the cast about for a side house again. And before you give anybody money, make sure say you pray for that money before you give anybody money. This video not dey long, I get a lot to talk, but I don't want my video dey long. This one they go almost 30 minutes. Make I just leave her for you. I just want to appreciate you. Please leave your opinion down there. What do you think about this video, about this woman when they do this thing? She carry her own children come out so that by mistake her children money not go enter the pocket. You understand? She know her own. And God still save that tenants. Now small thing, now they keep person throw away. You understand? God can still save that person because that woman cup, you don't fool. Thank you so much for watching. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save a lot of people. You are going to save a lot of destiny. Please don't watch this video without sharing it to your brother, your sister, your children, anybody at all that you know, that you love, even your enemy. Share them. God will bless you. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video here. True story, now we talk for here. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video.
There is anything that is bothering you, my friend. Please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.